Namaste yogis, my name is Laura and welcome to Laura Baumann Yoga. In this yoga class specifically for waiters and waitresses, we will use a yoga mat, blocks, and a wall. So let's start. To begin, grab your block, or if you don't have a block, don't worry, you can also grab a very firm cushion or pillow and place it under your seat in between your lower legs. If you have sensitive knees, then just take a regular cross-legged position. Find your comfortable position, sit up tall. Feel free to close your eyes and take a deep breath in through the nose. Fill your belly, ribcage, and chest with air and reach your arms up. Exhale, join your hands together and draw your hands in front of your heart in a prayer position. Feel free to set your intention for your yoga practice. Namaste. And then take a moment in hero pose, resting your palms on your thighs. Notice how your body feels. Hero pose is a wonderful pose for tired legs. They say it's like a balm for the legs. Keep your focus on your breath. And then as you inhale, reach your arms up. For a shoulder stretch, place your right hand in between the shoulder blades. Your left hand holds on to the right elbow and breathe. Release tension, slightly dip the chin. And switch sides. Place the left hand in between the shoulder blades and the right hand grabs hold of the left elbow. Stay with your breath. And then release. Lowering your arms down. Extending your arms to the sides, place the right fingertips on the floor. Inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, side body stretch to your right side. You can always use a block to bring the floor a little bit closer to you. Keep breathing. Open up the rib cage. Open up the side body. As you inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release. Switching sides. Place the left fingertips on the floor or hold on to a block. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, side body bend to your left side. Keep your chest open. Keep your sitting bones rooted. Good job. And as you inhale, come back to center. Exhale. Inhale, reach your arms up and let's get ready for a twist to the right as you exhale. Twisting from above the waist, placing the left hand on your right knee and the right hand is right behind you on the floor. And feel free to roll your head from side to side, micro movements to release any tension in the neck area. And then as you inhale, come back to center, bring your arms up, exhale, twist to the other side. Right hand comes down to your left knee and keep your left hand close behind you. Keep length in the spine and feel free to roll your head gently from side to side. Very nice. And then slowly bring your arms up as you inhale. Exhale, come back to center and release your arms down. Bend the elbows and bring your forearms up and start opening and closing your hands with your palms facing up. Turn your palms down. Keep opening and shutting your hands. And then place your palms on the floor. Come forward. And put a little bit of weight onto your hands, not too much. Work with your body and your range of motion. And then flip your right hand to the back of the hand, so the back of the hand is on the floor, and gently bring your body weight a little bit backward for a gentle wrist stretch. Again, go very slow and gentle and listen to your body. Then place the right palm down and switch sides. Place the left back of the hand on the floor, stretching the left wrist. your left palm down. And now, if possible, place both back of the hands on the floor. Go very slow and gentle. Don't put too much weight on it, just a little bit. And then release it. Now turn your right fingertips towards your right knee. And then bring your right hand back, switching sides. Bring the left fingertips towards your left knee, stretching out the left wrist. Well done. Place your left palm back down. Sit back on your heels and shake it out. Our next pose will be a shoulder stretch. I'll be using blocks for this one, but it can be quite intense, so just check how it feels and do what works best for you. I'm going to fold the mat in the middle for extra padding for my knees. We'll be taking puppy pose, so the knees are directly under the hips. Lengthen your spine and then walk your hands towards the front of your yoga mat. So either your hand palms are on your yoga mat or on blocks. If your hands are on blocks, this can be quite an intense shoulder stretch. So just see how it feels and go with what works best for you. Then melt your chest towards the earth and place your forehead on the ground. Stay here for a few deep breaths, stretching the shoulders, lengthening the spine. On your next in-breath, very slowly walk your hands towards your knees. Slowly transitioning out of puppy pose. And then position yourself close to a wall, 4 legs up the wall. Your bum doesn't have to be touching the wall, it can be a couple of inches away, and you can even place something to lift your butt a little bit higher so it's less intense. So you'll just have to play around with it a little bit to find your comfortable legs up the wall pose, and then place your heels against the wall. Legs are extended. I like to bring my arms up and overhead. Head is in the center. And then take a few deep breaths. Settle into your pose. And then try to be as still as possible in your body and in your mind. Legs up the wall is one of my all-time favorite poses. It's easy and accessible. And even if you don't have a wall, you can just place your calves, your lower legs, on a couch. I used to do this a lot when I was working as a waitress and had very tired feet and legs. And this was a lovely way to relieve that. Feel free to close your eyes and sink deeper. Let gravity do its work. Legs up the wall is a mild inversion, and this will help regulate your blood flow. And if you have swollen ankles, feet, legs, or as I mentioned before, tired feet and legs, this will really help relieve that. And it's also very calming. Being a waiter or waitress working in a restaurant can be quite stressful. And this is such a lovely way to calm down the nervous system. Take a deep breath in and inhale gratitude for everything you do with a smile on your face. Whether you're having a good day or a bad day, you're doing a great job. And exhale all the stress and all the tension. Let it all pour out of your body into the earth. And then take a deep breath in. Inhale gratitude for taking this time for yourself. A moment for self-care and self-nurturance. Exhale everything else that doesn't serve you. Stay here for a few more minutes. Remain in complete stillness in your body and your mind. begin to deepen your breath. Slowly, in your own pace, begin to wake up your body. Bring your knees into your chest. Give yourself a nice big squeeze. And then in your own time, bring yourself up to a seated cross-legged position to close our practice. Lengthen the spine, slightly dip the chin, take a deep breath in through the nose. Observe how you feel. Exhale. Inhale through the nose, reach your arms up. Exhale, join your hands together. Draw your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart. Remember your intention. And also thank yourself for taking this moment for self-care and your yoga practice. May it be a blessing to you. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.